Alexa, turn on the lights.
Doll. Relax your environment and amplify the ambience of your home through directed sound and light. Mount on the ceiling or use as a floor lamp. Use your phone as a dimmer to control the ambience of the room and illuminate your home. Create the perfect environment for a movie. Adjust dial with a remote if needed. Set an alarm on dial. To wake up and greet the morning with relaxing music of your choice. Bathe in Dall's sound shower to achieve maximum relaxation. Dall's design is perfect for any home decor. Practical elegance. Doll.
The right light can help you start your day with a boost of energy. You can set the Philips Hue lights to the perfect light for studying. And when it's finally time to relax, the right light can make reading a good book even more enjoyable. With one click, you can transform your space into a sanctuary, so you can unwind and let the stress of the day melt away as you prepare for sleep.
Alexa, turn on the kitchen.
Torch City Smart Home Care. Torch City wants to redefine the smart family and create excellence. Smart Home Care provide a perfect life experience to give automatic application and also has a learning ability. When you walk into the house, the lights are turned on automatically. The air conditioner is set up a suitable temperature, and the TV is also based on your habit. At the same time, your favorite news station is played. The music player plays the music of your favorite style according to your usual preference. The important thing is that all is done automatically, and you don't need to operate it by any mobile phone or other devices. It's like to have a housekeeper who is around you. Besides, you can control every light, electric curtain, and home appliance by voice, which can make smart home more completely.
Everybody appreciates good lighting. They just may or may not actually recognize that. I decided that I would leave my job and start going after what I was passionate about, which was lighting. People care about good lighting, whether they know it or not. Otherwise, we would all live under those incredibly bad fluorescent lights. It's not just utilitarian, it doesn't just provide you illumination. Lighting is actually the second biggest mood enhancer after music. There's a huge aesthetic, there's a huge entertainment value in lighting. So, we've put an enormous amount of effort into how do you really make using these lights easy? And more importantly is how do you make configuration of the lights easy? All other smart home devices, the installation is difficult and the configuration is easy. And in the case of lights, it's the total opposite, right? It's super easy to screw a light bulb in, but actually configuring the lights to do what you want them to do, other than just turn them on and off, combining colors in beautiful ways, using small accent lights and creating a symphony of light, that's nearly impossible. We built a software package called Compositions, which is designed to make it very straightforward to actually compose your lights in beautiful ways and then to roll those up easily into an entire house, not to mention the nearly infinite variety of lighting fixtures. We've made Lexi interoperable. So we're interoperable with Philips, we're interoperable with Lifex, we're interoperable with Sylvania, so you can run those through our app as if they're all from a single manufacturer. We said, okay, if we're going to have a hub, how do we make a hub that is the smallest footprint that we could think of? We wanted to make sure that that was a core component of the smart lighting platform that we built. When I want to have a party, I have all these LED candles, okay? And I only ever use them during parties because I got to go around all the time and turn them on, find which remote goes to which one. So for example, I got 3 remotes, right? I'm sure everybody's experienced this problem. It's like the moment I buy another set of LED candles, I have another remote, trying to figure out which ones go to which lights, not to mention that there's no way to coordinate them.
Thank you.